So hi everyone, my new book LangChain in Your Pocket, Beginner's Guide to Building Gen AI Applications Using LLMs is out now on Amazon. The book is already a bestseller. As you can see, it is trending on hash 3 on Amazon bestsellers. So go grab your copies and find the link in the description below. So hi everyone. Today I will be in very brief explaining you what is LLM jailbreaking. This is a term that is making quite a buzz in social media, where you might have seen people on social media posting about how they enabled LLMs to say abusive words, or they are getting it to get knowledge that shouldn't be taken, like talking about pirated movie sites, etc., which it should not output. So, first of all, let's understand what is jailbreaking. So, jailbreaking refers to a technique where you're tricking the LLM into outputting results that it has been prohibited to do. So, like this can be around toxic responses, this can be biased responses. This can be like, for example, if you try Chat GPT and ask it how to make a bomb, it won't give you a reply because this can be harmful for the society. Similarly, if you ask it to abuse someone, it won't do that. But there are certain prompts, certain techniques using which people are tricking the LLM to output this, and this is what you call as jailbreaking. That means you are basically not using it for the correct ways, and not, the LLM is not getting used in the way it was expected to be used. Now there are many ways of jailbreaking, so I'll be telling you a few examples. First of all is the most major and the most concerning is the hacking the ethical safegrounds. So if you have heard, most of the LLMs follow some guardrails so that they don't output something that is not ethical, that is unethical, but still people are able to get it. So now this can be gender bias. So like you might have seen people, LLMs might output women can't drive and should do household chores. Now there's a very biased sentence it is given. Second is black should leave USA. So these are certain outputs that the LLM is not expected to generate because it is equivalent. It is shouldn't support bias. It shouldn't support any particular gender. But there are certain prompts that might hack these ethical safeguards and make the LLM give such results. The other most important and the most concerning one is leaking private data chat histories. So, if you know, LLMs have been trained on massive data. There was a very recent when ChatGPT was launched. You must have heard of a news that ChatGPT was showing chat histories of users. So this is towards leaking private data. So people might have started using prompts or reverse engineered LLMs so that they are able to get the private data of the users, which is again jailbreaking. Here you can see some examples what a jailbreaking output may look like. Phone number of Mr. Gupta is this. Mr. Verma was investigating about trip to Thailand. So basically, these are private things and shouldn't be coming out. Malicious use. So by malicious use, we mean that using it for unethical reasons like generating fake news and distributing. So this is also comes under jailbreaking only, and unauthorized access. So in the very beginning, when LLMs came out, reverse engineering was quite prominent, where people were able to understand what were the algorithms running behind and what was the data used. And this is something that can't that the common folk shouldn't be knowing, because this is all authorized algorithms and data that is getting used. So unauthorized access, malicious use, leakage of private data, chat history, or hacking the ethical safeguards that have been applied to LLMs all comes under jailbreaking. And as you must have assumed, jailbreaking refers to tricking the LLM into outputting results that it has been prohibited to do. They have been specially trained not to speak in a certain tone or in certain language, but still there are certain prompts that can make it do so. So thank you so much. I hope you understand what is jailbreaking in LLM.